Well, good afternoon, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this November the 3rd, 2023. I'm hoping everybody's having a great Friday out there so far. Everybody has a great Friday after the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in today's video, we're going to be talking about your forecast for the tropics here. We're going to be talking about Invest 97L, which is located in the south. Also, the cold front extending over the northeastern tropical Atlantic all the way back down into the Caribbean Sea. And also we have a little flare up of showers and storms. Maybe produce some more showers and storms across the Leeward Island as well. And also we got more shower and thunderstorm activity scattered about in the MDR region. Nothing to organize at this time. That's not even going to organize at this time either. Just have to kind of watch this area here. Any development possible, but like I said, not likely at this time. We got more scattered showers in the Eastern Pacific across South America. And here goes Pilar, moving on off to the west. It may affect Hawaii maybe later on down the road. Alright, we got another cold front extending across the northern portion of the state in United States. Then the low pressure. My channel, go ahead and consider subscribing. Love to have you. Like these videos, share these videos, and let's go ahead and get the show on the road here, folks, and let's go ahead and continue on down the line. Alright, in today's video, we're going to be talking about these Invest 97L. Also, we're going to take a look at the national weather page there for the tropics on this 97L, which we'll reload. Also, watch this warning advisory map, and also we're going to take a look at the snowfall totals across the area as well. Portion of the Western Carolinas and maybe northern Georgia. We'll take a look at that in the snowfall total map as it comes out. Alright, let's continue on down the road. Let's move on into Invest 97L. As you can see here is Invest 97L. Getting a pretty well organized, but most of the activity now is moving on to Central America. Just got some scattered activity to the north and to the west. I mean to the east to the center. So right now it only has about 20% chance of development, but it should move inland later on today and then move on into the Eastern Pacific later on Saturday or Sunday. Alright, let's move on to some information from the computer model guidance from the National Hurricane Center. Alrighty, we're just only picking up a couple model runs here. A lot of them is kind of backed off. Alright, you can see here's the center position of the center of the little system storm that is. Continues to the west-southwest. Some and then takes it off into the Eastern Pacific. See these here even takes it off in the Eastern Pacific as well. So that's why I said we ain't gonna have to worry about this system too much longer because it's gonna move over Central America. Alright, and if you want to take a look at the intensity guidance, as you can see right now, about 20 knot winds, they go at 25 miles per hour. The model do take it up into a tropical storm. And all the reason it's doing that is because of it's thinking it's supposed to go into the Eastern Pacific, and it could develop into a tropical, named storm and a hurricane. So we'll continue to monitor that as well and see if it develops into the Eastern Pacific Ocean. Alright, and finally let's take a look at the National Hurricane Center outlook here. As you can see, here's that little disturbance here. This is 97L, Western Caribbean Sea. A broad area of low pressure continues to produce an area of disorganized shower and thunderstorm over the Western Caribbean Sea. Further development of this system appears unlikely before it moves inland over Central America tonight or on Saturday. Regardless of development, the system is expected to bring heavy rain over portions of Central America through the weekend. This rainfall could produce flash flooding along with mudslides in areas of higher terrain. Formation chance through 48 hours and the next 7 days. Now at 10%. So I thought it was 20, but now it's down to 10% chance of development now in the tropical Atlantic. So, alright, well, let's move on to the Watches Warning Advisory. That was your tropical update. We're going to take a look at the watches warning advisory map for your location across the nation. As you can see, we still got those small craft advisories from portion of Maine down to portion of New York State, across the Outer Banks of North Carolina, southern South Carolina down to the Florida Key, a little bit around the Big Bend, and also toward the Panhandle of Florida, and again over here in portion of Northern California with some gale warnings to around northern Oregon, also into portion of Seattle, Washington, coastal areas. Special weather statements have been posted for Tennessee and Georgia, maybe some relative humidity problems. Flood advisory there for northeastern Florida. We have some winter weather advisory for portions of Montana and also into portion of Wyoming. Dense fog advisories have been posted for you guys here in Idaho, also into portion of Washington State, Oregon. Wind advisory there in effect as well. Also some along coastal areas of Washington State, and also some flood advisory for northern California, southern, southwestern Oregon. Hawaii and Chain Island looks good. Still got those high wind warnings, wind advisory for central Alaska, central and eastern Alaska. Also winter weather advisory there as well. Freezing spray warnings in effect along coastal areas of Alaska, and also the gale warnings and also small craft advisories are in effect for coastal areas of Alaska. Alright, and finally we're going to wrap it up with the snowfall totals across the lower 48. Here's that what I was talking about earlier for the western Carolinas, North Georgia. Maybe a little bit of snowfall for you guys according to the GFS model. This is for the next 16 days. As you can see here, that we got a little, maybe a couple inches of snow down here in the western North Carolina. Maybe a little bit, maybe up to a dusting, maybe, and also in the portion of central and eastern North Carolina as well. And also we got some heavy snow up here into areas of New York State, up into Washington, into portion of Maine, New Brunswick, Newfoundland. Also across central and southern Canada as well. Get some snow in that vicinity down into the Sierra Rockies. And also the Pacific Northwest Mountains, also down into the Rocky Mountains, also the Sierras and the California region. And that's pretty much the snowfall map right now. So if you get some snow during this month, count yourself lucky. But anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed the weather. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well. Like I said, hope everybody enjoyed the weather, because it's the only weather you got. Like these videos, share these videos, consider subscribing if you have not. We'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful, wonderful Friday afternoon, folks. Take care.